Hi guys, if you have pie or hemorrhoids, you shouldn't be scared because pies are not life-threatening and most of the time they can go off on their own, so you don't need to worry about that. But in some cases you need natural remedies or drugs that can help that pie or hemorrhoids to go away immediately. So right on this video I want to tell you the natural remedies you can use and also the possible drug solutions that you can use for pie or hemorrhoids. But if this is the first time you are coming across my channel, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning viewer, I always say thank you for coming back for more. I am Pharmacist God's Gift, and on this my channel I talk on health matters and also I give information on drugs I can use for most ailments. Okay, so please, I would like you to stay tuned till the end so that you can get the information on the natural ways, the natural food, and also possible drugs that you can use to get rid of pie or hemorrhoids immediately from your body. Pie or hemorrhoid is inflammation and swelling of tissues in the rectum or anus, okay? And it is called hemorrhoid because hemorrhoid has to do with a cushion of tissue that are filled with blood, okay? Blood vessels. And this cushion of tissue that is filled with blood vessels is located at the rectum or the anus, okay? And one of the major symptoms of pie is bleeding during defecation. That is why we call it hemorrhoid or pie, okay? Now let's look at some symptoms of hemorrhoids or pie before we go to the natural way and also the drug therapies that we can use to take care of pie. Number one symptom of pie is bleeding during defecation, okay? Then secondly, swelling of veins, and this swelling of veins used to cause pie or hemorrhoid. This swelling of veins can also be internal or external, okay? The internal one is the one that is inside the anus. You cannot see it or you cannot feel it. That is the internal swelling. Then the external swelling is the one that, after defecation you can use your hand to feel it. When you want to wash your anus, you can use your hand to feel it, and most persons, when it comes out, they usually push it back inside, okay? That is the external swelling that we are talking about. So this is the second symptom to show you that you have started having pie. Then finally is pain and difficulty during defecation, okay? Is very painful or you hardly defecate. Sometimes some persons usually have constipation too because they are afraid of using the toilet due to the pain and the difficulty in defecation, okay? So if you're noticing these symptoms, you should run to your health provider because you're having symptoms of pie, okay? Then now let's look at the treatment. Let's look at the natural way to cure this pie or hemorrhoid. But before we dive into the treatment, one thing I want you to know is that the treatment of pie, that natural way or the drug therapy, involves relieving the symptoms, okay? Because pie naturally go away on its own. So the natural ways that we can use to get rid of pie is, number one, you should eat food that are high in fiber content, okay? Fiber is very good when it comes to pie, okay? It's help in easy digestion. Example, oats, cereals, yeah. Secondly, you can make a drink of pomegranate. You can peel the pomegranate, boil it, and sieve out the concoction when it is cold, and you will now take it morning and evening. This helps to relieve the symptoms of pie and also cure pie immediately. Then thirdly is drink a lot of water. Yeah, water helps to ease bowel movement. It aids in digestion and also it helps to soften the stool. So while defecating, you will not have difficulty in defecation or painful defecation, okay? So what you need to do is drink a lot of water and make water your daily friend. Then fourthly, you need to eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, okay? You can take fruit such as cucumbers, peppers, oranges, watermelon, your blackberries, your vegetables, onion. Yeah, they are all very good and efficient to get rid of hemorrhoid or pie because during pie, one usually stool out blood, okay? So these fruits and vegetables helps to increase your blood level and also they help to ease defecation by softening your stool so that you won't go anemic as a result of pie. Finally, you can do exercises like yoga or some exercises to ease the constipation and defecation. And also, when you're going to the toilet for defecation, you can use the squatting position to ease defecation. Now that you've known what pie is, the symptoms to show that you've gotten pie, and also the natural way to treat pie, now let's look at the drug therapy. But before then, I've told you previously that in treating pie is we look mostly at what? Relieving the symptoms, because pie can go away on its own. The first drug that is involved is pain reliefs. Okay, we give pain reliefs because pain reliefs helps in reducing inflammation and swelling, which has to do with pie, because as I previously mentioned, pie has to do with swelling and inflammation of the veins that are in the rectum or the anus. Okay, so we give pain reliefs like NSAID, we call them the NSAID, such as the mefenamic acid, ibuprofen, your diclofenac, your piroxicam, and so on and so on. Okay, NSAID helps to reduce inflammation and swelling, and also they relieve pain, general pain. And secondly, drugs to reduce the gas aggregations and also the pile marks that are found in the rectum. Example of such drug is the Pilex, okay, which is shown right here. Then thirdly, creams and ointments are available. Okay, these creams and ointments are used to rub the anal region. Okay, you can use it to rub the rectum or the anal region. Examples are the ones that I place here. You can try out these two creams to get rid of pie immediately. Then finally, suppositories that contains hydrocortisone and lidocaine can be used. Okay, suppositories are drugs that you insert in the anal region or sometimes in the vagina, but as a result of pie, we are going to be inserting it in the anus, the anal region. Okay, help to reduce inflammation and pain during pie, thereby relieving the symptoms of pie and curing pie immediately. Example is the suppository that you are seeing right here. Okay, this and many more are the natural ways and the drug therapies that you can use to get rid of pie immediately and ASAP. Okay, and these procedures that I've told you work so fast, so you don't need to go look for other ways to get rid of your pie. But if you have tried all these ways and your pie is still there, it doesn't go away on its own, then it requires surgery. You need to go do surgery immediately so that it won't lead to other serious diseases. Okay, thank you for staying tuned till the end. Please don't forget to like this video. Okay, if you have been watching me till the very end, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Yes, you need to encourage me with your subscriptions, your share. Okay, any question you have concerning this pie or this hemorrhoid, please put it down in the comment section so that I can attend to it. Yeah, then if you're the person that have pie and with all the explanation in this video you are not still getting it, you can always send me a DM, then I will give you a therapy that you can use that to get rid of that pie immediately. Okay, so thank you for staying tuned till the end. Let me recap again. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. See you next time in my next video. Bye.